Hello, and thank you for joining our tutorial on new checkboxes that have been added to the Fee Worksheet and Closing Cost Worksheet, Section E, where government taxes and recording fees are. This will only affect the Closing Disclosure, page 2. It does not affect the LE, or the loan estimate. Let's go to the Fee Worksheet, and I'll show you where the new checkboxes are. We'll go down to Section E, and we have the new checkboxes. This one says exclude from mortgage the recording fee for the deed. This one says exclude from the deed. If you would like to break these fees out, when checked, the fee amount will not be included in the mortgage or the deed field on Closing Disclosure, page 2, the printed form, Section E, but it will be included in the total cost for the borrower. So let's set up an example. Exclude from the deed the $50. Exclude from the mortgage $20. If we go over to the Closing Cost Worksheet, we'll copy from our Fee Worksheet. If we scroll down to Section E, our items are here that we put on our Fee Worksheet. If we go to our Closing Disclosure, page 2, then let's also scroll down to Section E. So now you'll see that we had the deed cost is 0, the mortgage is the $120, but our cost total to the borrower is the $190. If we go back to our Closing Cost Worksheet and scroll down to Section E, we have the 120 plus the 20 is 40 plus the 50, so it's $190. However, on our Closing Disclosure on page 2, we're only going to show the 120 towards the mortgage, but 190 total cost to the borrower. The checkboxes allow us to break up the fees so that they're not all under the mortgage recording fee. I just want to reiterate that this will start in the Fee Worksheet, where you can separate these costs in Section E under the recording fee. And you can choose which one of these are going to be excluded. Once you have your fees here in the Fee Worksheet, we will now go to the Closing Cost Worksheet, copy our fees from the Fee Worksheet, go down to Section E, you'll see in the Closing Cost Worksheet the same fees that we had in the Fee Worksheet and the same exclusions. Now these will appear separated on the Closing Disclosure, page 2. We'll scroll down again to Section E. And even though they're separated here, the other $70 still is included as a cost to the borrower for the total of the $190. Thanks for tuning in. For the new checkbox added onto our Fees Worksheet and Closing Cost Worksheet, Section E, for government taxes and recording fees.